Okay, how to create Mac keyboard shortcuts. So in this case, I have Microsoft Word. I click Edit, I click Find, and you can see that Replace doesn't have a keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to try to see if I can add one so that this Replace has a keyboard shortcut. So how do I do that? Keyboard. There it is, shortcut. Now this is an app shortcut, so I click the app, click the plus, Microsoft Word, boom. Now I have the menu title. Let's go back here. Replace ... Keyboard, I'm going to do a command, I don't know, H, add. And that's it. Let's see if it works. So I'm back to Word, Edit, Find, Replace. See, Command H. So let's see if it works. My job is to take a D sharp and replace it with an E flat. So Command H. Look at that, D sharp, E flat. In my case, I'm case sensitive. I'm going to do case sensitivity, match case. Good. And see if it works. Replace all. Look at that. Worked. That's how you do it.